Cha, is that it, you know?
Yeah, man, doing it, you know?
Yeah. Alright, since he wanted trophy, he wanted decor trophy. The man want to take away thing from the Rasta. But anyway, you give it still. If you improve, then deserve it again, though. Alright, my people, my YouTube fans, family, friends, viewers, subscribers, this is it. We are at Couple Swept Away. We are sitting up for the anniversary tomorrow, so you know it's a lot of work, so we have to start from today. See? So this is the beginning of the thing. Well, we start already still, you know, but it's a show, you know, an inside look to the thing, you think, you know? Yeah, trust me, it's epic, or it's gonna be epic. Alright, this is the start of it. Alright, basically, you know, we have them bamboo, yeah, nice bamboo feel, nice bamboo look to the thing. Alright, down here, so now, you know, we have to step and repeat banner right here. Alright, see Georgie Panda one day I go on with him, look at thing over there, so well, let me wrap that. After I finish, we'll put 2 pieces of plywood within each of them, and then, you know, decorate them plywood. Alright, over here, so now this is where I am at. You know, this is a 40 by 20 truss grid, so I already wrapped it, but for some reason I think they should come and add something to it, so just giving them some time to add that other piece of truss to it, and I can decorate it, and then we get going. You get what I'm saying? So, you know, we are ahead of schedule, ahead of schedule, I should say. So nothing to worry about so far. All right. Well, you see the beautiful sunset coming over there, or I should say going down over there. All right. Come along with I and I. Let me show you something else. This is a beautiful tunnel. Alright, here we have a beautiful channel. This one was done by Mr. Tribanic himself. When I get bad at the thing. Alright, I don't know. Yeah, man, this is amazing. This is amazing. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. So Mr. Banik, job well done, sir. Alright. So as I said, this is Couple Swept Away anniversary. Anniversary is tomorrow, so we are doing the decor from today. And trust me, this is amazing. This is like, trust me, they go above and beyond for this style. I love it. Well, we're just here doing our thing. We're just doing the decor and get ourselves out of here. Yeah, man. God bless. Our YouTube channel, we kind of put us some of them things up on you. Yes, I don't know. That's it, Fabian?
Yes, man.
Alright, you don't know. You know why I go party? You don't know, say the general let me set up the trust, you know. This is original Fabian, where the man is master for anything. So Fabian, you don't know. Alright. And general, you don't know anything go. You want to lock it up, you know. Alright. Yeah. Enjoy the beautiful water, yeah? Alright, should say enjoy looking at it. Alright, this is where we're at. We are actually right at the seaside. This setup is right at the seaside, so I don't know that in the go. We are putting an additional piece of truss on the thing here, so just waiting on them while they do what they do for me to do what I do.
Bye.